This video is just how to use heicarsimV1.36 version. This version have a new features. It supports iPhone7, AT&T, and T-Mobile iPhone 7 and 7 Plus to unlock, and support the Qualcomm baseband chip series iPhone working iOS 13 version, unlocking the signal in the background. Now we insert the unlocking the SIM card to the iPhone. Now you put the menu. Put at the menu. When you change a new thing, if you put at the menu, and you can close these folders in the same application. Resetting, put up off, put up on. You can set it. Okay, we use universal or IMSI version, but we first suggest to use universal activation. Okay. Intel, this black one is Intel baseband iPhone 7 T-Mobile. So we use the same activation methods with this. ICCID is working with the default, and we send it down. When you click accept, it will start to unlock. Now you will see when I send the settings, this white iPhone start to unlock already. But you will see the same application there. It's showing set auto reload off. This meaning that if you lost signal, it would not reload TMSI automatically. So you need to close the read TMSI memo. Now we can see this signal just for call signal, no data. So first thing, you need go to the cellular data settings, turn on the LTE and the data roaming on. In SIM application, we reload. Click reload. In the old version, you will see if you click the reload TMSI, the iPhone will go into the request activation screen. But this new version, it will not go into that status. But this Intel baseband know this further. It is running the signal unlocking. Okay, now you will see this iPhone is unlocked down. If you call failure, this meaning that iPhone in the wrong wrong in the status. So first thing you need inserting only. Okay. Before this iPhone, we select a universal activation, so need activation at first. Okay. We insert again. Activation down. Now we do the next step. If you need reload automatically, you need set the auto reload on. But in the video we show memo, so we create the reload TMSI. Intel iPhone will go into the request activation screen. He will find the signal and go back to the desktop. Now you will see that this iPhone is in the wrong status. So how to fix this? We use another thing. use another thing insert, write it back to the normal status. Different IC CID thing. Okay. Now we use unlocking and touch it SIM card, your SIM card again. Okay, you see here. If signal bar sings SIM failure, you just need to reboot. It will be okay. Okay, this iPhone 7 unlocked down. Intel. Okay, down. Safari. Like back to the LTE. Sync info 3G sync. Okay, Safari got. We test this Safari. Okay. We text call. Okay. These two iPhone have the unlock down, but we have but heicarsimV1.36 have another virus. In the SIM application, click to view SIM info. Console model, 4G SIM card, console model, 3G SIM card. This meaning your SIM card is 3G SIM or 4G SIM. And we can exchange the SIM model to unlock. They have a different, something different. If your SIM card not support unlock, get the signal in the one model, you can try to exchange SIM model to get. So we can show how to do this. Click this. Okay, signal will be, the iPhone will be racing again. When he finished the rigs, it loaded SIM application again. We can view the SIM info for 4G model. It means the fourth 4G model. This means the fourth 3G SIM model. Okay. So now we can try to unlock it with different model again. We click reload. He's unlocking. He's doing also. Okay, you will see the 3G first, and it will be disappear or change to LTE. Don't worry about this. It's depending the signal status. Okay, this one you see it change to LTE and disappear, and show the no thing put at the menu. Don't worry about this. This iPhone activation down. Okay, the black one unlock down. This is working for 3G SIM model working down. So this SIM card and his network support support 2 times model SIM to get the signal. This lost. Okay, no problem. This menu, this put up just you set the reload TMSI off, it will be use this. Okay, we click accept. If you finish the unlock by the memory reload, you can click on. Okay, in this setting, if signal lost in your pocket, it will reload signal again without any option. And there switch SIM reset on. This meaning that you change another SIM card, it will pull up the setting menu again. If you set it off, you change another SIM card, it will save the old settings, the carriers and the memory model all the same. So you can change anything without any setting in the same phone. But if you change another phone use, it will be active, not pass. Okay, we're waiting if come back, signal come back. Okay, maybe this SIM card not support 4G SIM model, so we exchange another his original SIM model will be get the signal. This video is wrong, but we try my best to explain the details about unboxing. And if you have missed some problem, you can find a question in this video. We set it on. Okay, click reload. It will start immediately to unlock. The Qualcomm baseband chip, it can unlock the signal in the background, so you will never see that the request activation screen. I think it will feel good. Okay, now use his original model. It unlock. We call it for that. Good. Safari also good. Okay, this video instruction all about the details in the unboxing. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your choice heicarsim.